front half of the van completed now with 25mm insulation, foil taped. Excuse the mess. If I'm doing anything wrong, please let me know in the comments. Any advice would be most welcome, so please leave those in the comments. And as you can see, the van is coming along so nicely, I hope.